Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we are exploring Swift, the powerful programming language that is used for iOS, macOS, watchOS, and tvOS development. So in this video, we'll uncover its origin story, syntax, features, and why it's worth learning, and also who's harnessing its potential. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. So if we talk about the origin story, Swift was introduced by Apple in 2014, aiming to replace Objective-C as the go-to language for Apple ecosystem development. It was basically developed with speed, safety, and ease of use in mind, leveraging the best aspects of various programming languages. And yes, since its release, it has gained immense popularity and has become a staple for iOS developers. So now let's dive into Swift syntax. Swift is known for its clear and concise syntax, making it easier to read and write. It basically offers powerful features like optionals, closures, and generics, making code safer and more expressive. And also with its playgrounds, developers can now experiment with code in real time, providing instant feedback and aiding in learning process. And if we talk about features, Swift is packed with incredible features. It supports both object-oriented and functional programming paradigms, allowing developers to choose the approach that best fits their project. And also it offers high performance and low-level memory manipulation when needed. Also, Swift's strong type system ensures better app stability and robust error handling. But why should you learn Swift? That is a really important question. Well, it's the language of choice for iOS app development, and as you guys all know, like the Apple App Store is a massive platform, and learning Swift opens the door to creating applications for millions of users. Additionally, it's constantly evolving with a vibrant community and Apple learning resource available. And now you guys would wonder like who uses Swift? Major companies and startups alike have embraced Swift for their app development needs. Tech giants such as obviously Apple, then we have Airbnb, Slack, Uber are utilizing Swift to build robust and user-friendly applications. Its basically versatility and performance have made it a favorite among developers and companies in the iOS ecosystem. So in conclusion, Swift is basically a very versatile and powerful programming language designed for iOS and beyond. Its origin, syntax, and features make it a top choice for developers entering the exciting world of iOS development. So I hope you like this video and I'll see you on the next one. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.